Kamadongi ameranyanga. Ndazitaura izvozvo nekuti handisisi kumauto.
I don't know if any of you guys listened to General Sanyatwe akuda kutitira problema. Sanyatwe is becoming too big for his small head. You hear what I'm saying? He has now become too big for his shoes, apparently, you know.
Manjedz Anunaki, also known as the Drone Commander, directly warned the Minister of Sport, Recreation, Arts and Culture, Minister Sanyatwe, for attacking the public. Kusangana kwatikuita zvakare pachannel ino, channel yeZim Witness TV, pandinodzoka nemaupdates akasiyana-siyana, uye ndinoti kana kari kekutanga kusvika pano ndinokumbira kuti ungobaya button rekusubscribe, then turn on the notification bell kuitira kuti usarasikirwe neevry update yandinodzoka nayo pano nguva nenguva. As you know, Minister Sanyatwe vaimbova an army commander, but he resigned and becoming a Minister of Sports. Over the weekend, Minister Sanyatwe vane mashoko avakataura during his speech, apo vaitaura ivo kuti ZANU-PF ichatonga kusvika madhongi amera nyanga. Mashoko aya anoratidza kuti haana kufadza vakawanda, because many people react to that speech on social media platforms. Today taona one of the people vasina kufara nespeech yavasanyatwe abuda pachena achiudza vasanyatwe kuti vasanyatwe is coming too big to his shoes after his speech yavaiita iyo favor to ZANU-PF party. Ladies and gentlemen, these types of topics ndowanzofarira kuti muzvinzwire mega. Kana mapedza kunzwa, I need you to come through in the comment section muchitudzawo zvamunofunga pamusoro penyaya iyi.
I don't know if any of you guys listened. I don't know if any of you guys listened to General Sanyatwe akuda kutitira problema. Sanyatwe is becoming too big for his small head. You hear what I'm saying? He has now become too big for his shoes, apparently, you know. There's something wrong with Zimbabwean politics. There's something very wrong with Zimbabwean politics, where instead of people going to save the nation, instead of people going to save the people take these positions to go and fight the people and actually throw away concerns. He is actually not happy with the fact that he is now being Minister of Sports and people are saying, why did you take it? I was one of the people who could, like he's saying, is it? I said, inini dai ukura, like he is saying. Daito ukura worried about his safety. Okay? That's the first thing that I would like to say. Kune masoja anga ari more senior than Sanyatwe. Let's talk for example, Moyo, right? Former Minister of Internal Affairs. Okay? Do you remember where he ended up? Akamwenda Britain uko akanovhiringana nema-civilians akazodididi vanhu vachidemonstrate, handiti? Where is he now? Where is Sibusiso Moyo? Ari kupi? He's dead. When he was there, everything seemed okay. Alright? I simply wukurad, like you say, Vasanyatwe, he message and then you pass it to him. I don't care what he thinks. I'm going to tell him because it appears like he's a baby in politics. You know? It appears like the guy is a toddler learning more about politics. You see, you are dealing with civilian politicians, okay? These are not military politicians that actually abide by principles, military principles, and obeying your hierarchy like it's some sort of God worshipping. Okay? If you come out and you start to attack the public like you just done in your last speech because campaigning at Aguirre, we literally don't care about respecting you. I want you to learn from Comrade General Chiwenga, okay? I want you to learn. Ati auti udzeo kuti uchati tonga kusukira madhonga itanyanga ndokufarisa manje ikoko. Kune kunonzi kufarisa. You're dealing with a different generation. That's what you have to know. You're dealing with a different generation. You're not dealing with some kind of and you come up and you say such kind of nonsense. We told you when we know that you're corrupted anyway. You're corrupted Nalata Aguirre, you're on their side, they're doing things for Nalata Aguirre. So isusu tiriwano ano miriavan. If you want to be on my wrong side, then you find me talking like this. If you attack the public, if you attack people that are suffering just because you've got a government ministerial post, then you might as well put us on a list of wanted people. We don't care about that. But we'll tell you the truth, you're a baby. Sanyato is a baby in politics. He's a baby in politics. When he comes out and talks like he's talking to a group of new recruits, Leko Army, you know, he's talking like Nema soldier. My first time 2 months in army, we are a people that you should understand. We are people that you should actually be working for and making sure that we have everything that we need. You don't come to attack us because we're raising our concerns. You know, if you attack the general public, then people like myself are going to come up because I stand for the public. I stand for people that are actually trying to put up their concerns out there and they're being blocked, you know, like that Senator Aguirre. Should we assume that General Sanyatwe, you have become rogue? Should we start to say that? You know, otherwise it's a very easy statement to say. Should we believe that you have become rogue? Should we believe things that are going around that are saying they got paid money and you're part of the scheme? Should we believe that? Should we believe that you're being eliminated so that, that's where people don't think. If you look back and see for yourself what has happened to all those military generals, I thought you were wiser than you have shown today. That's one thing. I thought you were a wise man, but you're not. You're not. I thought you were very intelligent, but you're not. When you start fighting the public, it shows me for some reason that if I look at the position Yama former generals, those people, they died for nothing. Those people died for nothing. You know, they are gone for nothing. And here comes a new breed of generals. Warikubuda wasinaka an idea about what happened. Whether you were involved in it, whether you were not at this position, we don't care. But what I can say to you, do not fight the public. Don't come and say things, bad things, directing to the public. This is for you, Sanyatwe. I wouldn't even want to call you my general. I don't. I would disrespect you. If you start doing this kind of things, I would disrespect you to every level. I don't care who you are. I don't care. And if you come to my face and think you can do anything to me, also think about Kuti. Is this your last day? Because I'll fight. That is one thing that no one knows about me. You always have to understand that every champion in the world goes into the ring hoping to win. But they never know you'll be hit by an underdog. That's one thing. General Sanyatwe Makanya manj. Makanya, and you need to make an apology to all of us. Which I don't expect you to say. You're too full of yourself too. You're too full of yourself. You think Zagatu Ala General Chiwenga Zeze is a good thing. and you stand with the same people that have done that to people have been poisoned. Numerous people have died for the people, to make sure people are okay. And then you come, you start telling us, really? We said to you, there's nothing wrong with you going on vacation and being part of a sporting. There's nothing wrong with that. Do the job, do it neatly. That's okay. We don't have a problem with that. We only mentioned that with what we are seeing, the trend of generals being killed, it's too much. We worry for you. We still worry for you. But at the same time, I'm saying this to you. You need to be a person that realizes, Kuti, you are dealing with the public, you are dealing with people that you have to support. Everyone that is out there needs your support. They need your assurance. Okay? People need your assurance. That's what I'm saying. People need your support. People need your assurance. We don't want a situation where a general or someone like yourself, you start fighting the public. That's all I said. Guys, I'm sorry today I'm out of time. And looks like where I'm going there, I don't have network. I don't have good networks. I'm going through the hills. So I just parked so that I can finish talking to you. But in saying this, gentlemen, I'm disappointed with General Sanyato. I'm highly disappointed. And talking from, and then I consider myself, whether I'm a trained soldier or whether I was in the army or whatever it is, I consider myself in life a soldier too. Okay? And soldiers should be there to defend the nation. Okay? Soldiers should be there to fight for the right of everyone in that nation. Soldiers should defend the Constitution. Soldiers they are the last defense against rogue politicians. When we see these soldiers getting to this point, it makes my head go hot. Okay? Makes my head go hot. Because in other countries, let me give you an example. In other countries, we don't see these kind of things where my soldiers are populated in political affairs, in the offices. They are retired. You know, a point, the president has got too much powers. The president has got too much powers. This is one of the things that need to be dealt with. This president, you brought this problem and you have to deal with it. To some extent, you have to deal with it. And I hope 2028 guys, make sure in the next Congress, ZANU-PF, remove this guy. Remove him. Because this is too much. This is too much. To go to a cartoon, but you figure out very soon we are not cartoons. We are human beings. We are human beings. And whether you are pretending on stage to say things that you are not, when you start to say things against or attacking the public, let me say this to you openly. I don't have a problem with anything, General Sanyato, that you may say. The moment you start saying things against the public, against people who are going to suffer, I'm not talking about me. I'm fine. I may be quiet, but I'm not selfish. But what I can tell you is that when you start to say things against the public, when you start to say wrong things, very painful things, when you start to say things that are hateful to the public, that's when people like myself, we start talking and making sure that we come to the defense of the public. General Sanyato, you are new in politics. Being in the army and knowing Anna President Nechichi, you are not active, you are new. This is your first assignment as a politician. Okay? So we expect you to be promising vafana vari kuchikora kuti no ukaita so uchazotambira Dynamos and get paid, uchaita rugby, uchapinda murugby yoita international team, yoita national team renda international what and promise all these good packages and make sure that vane sporting talent they are also getting paid properly. That's what we want to hear from you, so that it's more like a job. In other countries, Britain, Kupi, America, Australia, Kupi, everywhere, New Zealand, New Zealand, all blacks. You know, all those guys, they get paid. They get paid good money. They are employed, they get paid good money to be in sports. Ukaenda kunala Switzerland, kunala German, all those guys, they get paid to be in sports. They get paid, it's good money. We want you to promise the public. We want you to promise the public these good things. Don't come and talk to us. You know, you lose our respect. For people like myself, you will lose that respect. And when I look at how other generals have died, you will lose that respect from me. If I look at how deadly sick General Chiwenga got to, you will lose my respect. You lose my respect. When you start going around those kind of people, these people, they don't mean good to the public, you will lose my respect. Therefore, it's gone. Not even. Let him stay at his house and do his job and do whatever. But when you come up against the public, you have lost my respect. Gentlemen, thank you. I'm 6 minutes late to my appointment. I've got a consultation that I'm doing, so I'm very sorry. Today I'm very tight on time, but I felt hot. I felt hot in me. I felt hot because when someone like Sanyatwe comes up and starts to attack the public, then we have a problem, is it? We have a big problem. These are the kind of people that we need to remove in the next government. We need these people gone. Like Mnangagwa, he is gone. Mnangagwa is only pretending. Mulukufunga kuti zese zazo kona parliament yakuita kuskapa kutengwa kuti an application impeachment is put in, is submitted and put into motion, and then things just disappear. Think about it. What kind of a country we're dealing with? That's where our biggest problems are, is it? We are run by people that are very corrupt, that do what they want for themselves, not for us. Gentlemen, thank you very much. Have a good day. For me, it's morning. I'm just going to go and sort out some bridge that's being built there. I'm doing a consultation. Trabulas are many of the name that's given. I want to give you one thing. A design for that can be very cheap, implementing 2 roundabouts under a flyover. And then you can control traffic to different directions. 2 roundabouts. Not all that networking here, just to waste a lot of money. Designing is also crucial. 2 roundabouts under that whole thing could have solved and cut that whole budget in half. I do those things every day. I look at it, I just laugh. Now makutanga build a drainage. Wakambona drainage ye road construction, build wamapedza kuwaka road nai. Mambo zona kupi nai. You start asking wakomana nema for sure to come and put some, kuchera makomba mweza drainage system after mapedza kuwaka. That's very poor, very, very poor. In any way, all I said is that next time, consult people that know what they're doing. Build your drainage before, lay your pipes before you do anything. Before even roading, put your pipes in the ground. That's why ndozo akafanana Sanyatwe. Sanyatwe akafita kukwenda iye kunotenga uniform ema sports asataita consultation yekutsvaga quotation everywhere. I'm very worried about the guy. I'm very worried. He wants to bring politics into soccer. It as a bora. Tinambonza Coventry achifamba achitaura zvepolitics isusu. Totomunyarira mudhara waya. Anyway, guys, thank you very much. Have a good day. It's morning where I am, so I'm starting work. I'm going to go and meet up my clients there and see what we can do. So that's what I live to do. I live to do that. And after this, I'm proud of what I do. Okay? I'm proud of what I do. I come out, I work out there. I'm proud of it. I love it. So you guys, you got to learn these things. I see, I love wearing this because this is where I get the money from. So for some of you guys, I hear a lot guys that get you know, to show what they do. You have to be proud of your work. Be proud of what you do. Okay? So guys, I want to encourage you, work hard in life. Make sure everything that you do is meaningful. Don't be like General Sanyatwa. Don't be like that. That guy is an embarrassment to the army. He is a disgrace to the army. And I'll say it 1,000 times. He has let down all the fallen soldiers, all the fallen heroes that were killed after the 2017. We know that people didn't die of COVID. We know that COVID. Even if I COVID ikadzoka mchamzo danzi vaenda COVID, yeah, because the COVID inenginogadzirirwa ku State House. Okay, so be very careful. I'm one of those people that will never run away from the public, because in ndakakurira mlocation ini. I grew up in location. I grew up in Mkoba. If you want to know where I grew up in Gweru in Mkoba. And I can tell you this, most of I know them, okay? I know them, I know a lot of them. So when you start to talk like Urim Salad, you know, no offense, guys. If you want to talk like Urim Salad, like Chichi, there's nothing saladic about Sanyatwe, nothing. But when someone comes up and want to be a hero as an PF, yes, Gananda, then we will trim you. Will trim you to your place. You have embarrassed the army. That's one thing that I want to say. You come and fight the public. That is public. This, and you then come up and you attack that same public. Guys, have a good day.